Hello everyone. Good evening to all. Audible to all? Please reply in the chat or thumbs up. Yeah, that's great. So let's wait for few other people. So that I think uh, you guys can little more just give me the simple questions answer. Why you want to learn Gen AI in the chat? Any specific reason? Upskill. Okay. Anyone else? Why Gen AI? Okay, I want to grow my career in tech field. That's great. Okay. Anyone else? No one? To get deeper understanding of AI. Okay, it's good. So I think we have total 20 registration, and out of 20, they are the 11 are there. Okay, so let's wait for 2 more minutes. Okay, one more is there. Yajendra, please don't forget to start the recording as we discussed earlier. Hey bro, how are you doing? Thank you, Yajendra. Yeah, 1 more minute we'll wait. After that, we'll start. Good, sir. I'm doing good. Thank you for asking. Let's wait for 1 more minute. We'll start. Okay. Okay, let's start. So, once again, hello everyone, and thank you for joining at a late night. Okay, so why I took it this initiate. Okay, so I will tell you why. Like suddenly I just take a decision and just go into the Gen AI workshop of the 3 days. Okay, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So the reason behind it, market is growing very fast. This is the first reason. Second reason, like till like in November 2022, Chat GPT has been came into the market and shaken the everything. At least like till 2 to 3 months, people not able to understand what is the capabilities of the Chat GPT and the technology and the machine learning behind the Chat GPT. Okay, so once they started figuring out, then the things getting more to more worse. People are getting into the more to more LLM models and everything. Okay, and you have been seen in 2023 how many things has been come into the market in terms of LLM models, startups, tools, platforms, cloud services, big companies has been involved, how much money has been burned. Everyone is talking about the only single thing, which is the Gen AI, generative AI. Okay, so that's why, like, you guys have been contact with me, you guys know about me, you guys know about the high devs, whatever we are doing in the high devs, so you guys already know about. So that's why I take a decision, why not let's start with this, with the all community guide. And if this session is going to be good, then I am giving you the promise that on every week, once you will get the understanding of the basic generative AI, their technology, how to do this, then I am giving you the promise to everyone. Okay, that is, on every week we will do a single POC on any use case. We will take the use case, then we'll do the POC. That's the promise that I am giving. If you guys like keep motivated and give me the like good response on this one, stay motivated, and you also put your efforts and time, then I am very happy to give my efforts and my time to you guys to learn about the and give the all the things that you want to be do in the POCs in the Gen AI, because next few months you will able to see how the things will be good. Okay, you will see how the things will be changed in the terms of the data science and everything. So that's why, if you like it, just share about it with your friends, more to more friends. Okay, once this has been done, then we will go into the deeper, we will know about the more about the Gen AI, whatever happening in Gen AI, and we'll take this discussion beyond our like beyond our the current strength that we have. We can just do the YouTube live as well, we can do, there's a lot of the things that we can do. But the only single thing that we want, everyone like have to contribute in that, and everyone have to share about the feedback to the other people. This is the thing that you are can participate. Again, as my nature, again, this is free of cost, we are not charging anything. If you want to give the money, then you can give it. Again, we will just share the whole money to the NGO, or if you want to do the money to share the money to the NGO, then you can do it. Okay, so this is the, yeah, you can share this on the social media as well. So yeah, you can do it, so more to more people will come. Then the like in Hindi that we can say, जितने ज्यादा लोग होंगे उतना ज्यादा माहौल बनेगा. एंड आई एम गिविंग यू, अपन इसको कंप्लीट करने के बाद हर हफ्ते की एक पीओसी करेंगे. पीओसी दैट मीन्स सबसे छोटे से छोटा प्रोजेक्ट, एक यूज केस उठाएंगे, उसका इम्पैक्ट देखेंगे, उसकी टेक्नोलॉजी देखेंगे, और उस यूज केस को कैसे बना सकते हैं. और उसके अलावा देन यू कैन आस्क मी वन टू वन मॉडल, वन टू वन, कि सर ये यहाँ पे ऐसे क्यों हुआ, इसका रीजन क्या है, इसका रीजन क्या है. 50 POCs अपन एक साल में कर सकते हैं. और अगर अच्छा हुआ कि आप बोलते हो कि नहीं यार इसको और बड़ा करते हैं, देन वी कैन डू वन मोर बेटर थिंग. एक हफ्ते में 2 करेंगे. अगर स्टार्टिंग के 1 to 3 थिंग्स, देन वी कैन डू 2 POCs after 2 months or 3 months. So this is the whole agenda, and single agenda यही है, जितना ज़्यादा आपको GenAI के बारे में पता होगा उतना अच्छा आपको काम आएगा. And after that you will able to get a job in the company, which is the main goal of the Hyders and my, कि आपको अच्छे से अच्छी जॉब मिले, अच्छे से अच्छा आपको पैसा मिले, और आप आपकी लाइफ में खुश रहो. बस दिस इज अ सिंपल थिंग दैट आई एम कमिंग विद द विजन एंड द मोटिवेशन. Now if you guys have any doubt or any suggestions or any like any thought on the my idea and vision, then you can tell me, I am here to give you answer. Then we'll start our session. Chat में बोल सकते हैं आप कुछ भी, anything. Or if you like the idea, dislike the idea, then you can just express your thoughts with the. Okay, thanks Pramod. Sir, I am beginner, can I join? Yeah, anyone can join. Anyone? Okay, so that means everyone like the idea. So let's jump on the session. Will not waste the time. Time is the money. Let me know once it's visible. 1 second. Visible to everyone and also audible. Please reply so it will be good for me. Okay, visible and audible. That's great. Thanks, Darpan. Thanks, Sukanya, for acknowledgement. Yeah. So first of all, foundation of machine learning. This is very important thing. Very important thing. So let's start with this one. Traditional programming versus machine learning. So traditional programming. What actually happened in the traditional programming? We were writing a program. On the basis of that, key we have to solve a problem. On that, we will taking the input and program analyzing the input and giving the output. This is a traditional programming, okay, that we are doing since like 90s. Okay, what actually happening? Prime number. Okay, write a program of prime number. Okay, this is a number. If you take the prime number, you will take the prime number code into the prime number program. Then it will give you the either it is yes or no. Now you have to make every changes in the program to make sure it will give the proper result, either good, bad, or error. Example, string is not a prime number, so you have to give this condition to your program. So this is a traditional programming where you have to write a program on the basis of input and output. This is the traditional programming right away, straightforward. Now machine learning, what has been done in machine learning? We are saying we have the data and we have the input as well and we have the output as well. We have everything. Now machine, you learn it and give us the program. What will be the best thing that you can do it? That's the new thing that the change the whole world, because every time data is very different. Data is changing every second, as you know, after coming the Facebook and YouTube, Twitter, all social media has been come into the world. The data quality, quantity, and speed of the generation has been changed. Okay, then data has been increased. That's why they know the data, they know the input, they know the output. With the combination of all these three things, they put it into the particular algorithm, or we can say the mathematics. Then they just find out particular patterns, they find out particular knowledge. On the basis of that, they able to create a machine learning model. Then what we have to do, we don't have to create the multiple models. We have to just only train the model on the data. Then it automatically give you the program. Then whenever the new data will come, belongs to the particular data that the model has been trained on. After that, you will able to, the model has been able to give you the output. So this is the machine learning. Okay, traditional programming versus machine learning. Now, types of the machine learning. There are the three types: unsupervised, supervised, reinforcement. Unsupervised, you don't have the structured data. You have totally unstructured. Nothing will be there. The data has been given to you. Take an example of this cat. You know about this, but computer don't know it. So this is your input. So you have to figure out what is the output of this one, or what we can say to this thing. Okay, so when you have the only input, you don't have the labels. So in that case, what will happen? You only have to give the single thing, which is input. No output, or we can say the labels. No labels are there. Only the input is there. So which is unsupervised learning. So in that one, you have to create the similar groups, or we can say the cluster. So this is all about the unsupervised learning. After this, supervised learning, second category. This is a cat and the answer has been given, or we can say label, or we can say output that has been given. So whenever you have the data that have the input as well as the output, or we can say features or the labels, that means you are very much in the supervised learning. But if you don't have the label, you don't have the labels, then what will happen? You have only the data that don't have the output. In that category, it going to be unsupervised learning. So this is the supervised and unsupervised. Now reinforcement learning. What is reinforcement learning? You will do a move, okay? You do particular, take example of the small kid, okay? When we are in very small, like 2 year old or 1.5 year old, until unless we're able to just we able to judge, is it a good, it is a bad. So but before that, if a person will touch or feel something, take example like a small baby is just going near to the fire. So what will we say? No, 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 beta, no, don't go over there, it is a fire, it will burn you. Okay, so what will happen? We give the reward कि भाई वहां पे नहीं जाना है. When you are working on a reward based system, is it a good, it is a bad, then it is known as the reinforcement learning. So this is the types of the machine learning. Got it? Now, supervised versus self-supervised learning. So what will happen when you have the supervised data? That means you have the what you have? You have data, input, and the output. But when you have self-supervised, that means data, you have the algorithm. On the basis of data, they are predicting the next move automatically. You don't have to do anything. See, this product does what is to it is supposed to. So what actually happen? Just giving you the next word. So this is self supervised learning. वो खुद से ही सीख रहा है, खुद के डेटा से ही सीख रहा है, आपको आउटपुट भी देने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है. So this is known as a self supervised learning. Okay, now till that any doubts? Because guys, this is very basic. Okay, so if you will just go into the deeper, so we will do the machine learning sessions as well, no issue. So go ahead, tell me if you have any doubt till now. No, no problem, thanks. So let's move. Input and output always just number. What that does mean? What that does mean? What we see. There's a very huge difference between the whatever we are seeing and whatever the machine is seeing. We always see the things as images, but the machine always see as numbers. So we have to minimize this gap as less as possible. We have to minimize this gap. How? This is the input, okay, this is the output, but machine not able to see the this output, this image. They can almost only see the numbers. So we have to convert everything. If you have the text, you have to convert the numbers. If you have the image, then you have to convert them into the numbers. If you have the numbers, then don't need to convert in number. So whatever you have to give, like audio, video, speech, numbers, PDF file, documents, everything, if you have, then you have to first convert into the numbers. Once it has been converted into the numbers, then it will automatically able to see by the machine. If it is not there, then you will not able to talk to the machine. As we already know, machine means like computer, like 0 or 1, either 0 or 1, or we can say this is the numbers, like anything that can be the number that machine can see. So this is the difference between human beings and machines. Now why is this hard? So I will tell you. See, this is the coolest example, like everyone hope know. So this is we able to see, okay, this is a small dog, but this is not, this is a food item, isn't it? So you can see, we can relate it. So structure of world is very complex, very complex. Okay, you can see this is a single person image from the different and not different angle, from the different brightness of the label. But we are able to see because our brain is very capable. From the like 20 years, we are just learning, we are just putting every time training our data. We are just seeing the 24 into like we are just seeing the data into the whole day. So that's why. Okay, but machine cannot be. So that's why we have to give the everything to the machine. Okay, this is a food, this is a like dog. So this kind of things that we have to put, and that can be the infinite variety of inputs can be mean the same thing. Okay, so that's why we can say structure of world is very complex. So this is all about it. Now how we can do it? So I think as we already know, machine learning has so many algorithms, logistics, support vector, decision tree. There are a lot of the things out there, but one algorithm that beats the everything, which is a neural network. I will not say that this all algorithms or other algorithm that belong to the machine learning will is the waste of the time. No, I'm not saying this thing. What I'm trying to say, which is that apart from this, the neural network always give you the best result, but sometimes it have the some condition. You need the good data, you need the big data, you need a good computation power. There are a lot of the condition when you want to use the neural network. Okay, so that's why don't take a thing like कि भाई नहीं neural network से सारी problem solve हो जाएगी. No, this is not the scene. Every problem can be solved machine learning as well as the neural network. Totally depends on your use case, requirement, condition, data. There are a lot of the things that you have to be do. Okay. Now inspiration. Neural network का inspiration कहाँ से आया? Okay, so everyone know like neural network get the inspiration from the our brain neurons, the mimic of the brain neuron. This is the input, this is the output. So this is all about. We'll not go into the deeper on this one. Okay. देन फॉर्मुलेशन, तो आप देख सकते हैं ऐसा कुछ डीप न्यूरल नेटवर्क होता है. सो यहाँ पे इनपुट होता है, यहाँ पे आउटपुट होता है. तो वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू इनटू दिस पार्ट. ओके, दिस इज टोटली आउट ऑफ दिस like workshop. Okay, so let's move to the next. Yeah, one thing that I want to show you guys. See, everything is a number. Everything you can see everywhere, this is a number. जहां पे भी जाओगे आपको नंबर ही मिलेगा. Here the input layer. Now the red blocks is denote this one. Okay, so you can see everything is a number. Everything. See, so that's why always keep in the mind everything is a number. If you want to do anything with the computer, you need a numbers. Okay. ट्रेनिंग कैसे होती है? You go, all guys are a data scientist or in the field of data scientist, so you know how the things are working in the data science. Okay, so we'll not go into this one. Okay, so let's. So this is the basic of data science and all these things. Okay, so we'll one second, is it relevant? Okay, yeah, there's one concept that we can tell it here. So generative AI. Okay, yeah, before starting generative AI, till that anyone have any doubt, please raise your hand, or like you can drop a message or not, then we can go ahead. Can we solve both machine to sell? Can we use both LM and DM algorithms? So yeah, you can use it. There are so many solutions out there in the market with the hybrid approach or hybrid algorithms. Wherever they are taking the first part of the problem, they have the big problem or complex problem. They have been divided into the multiple problems. Okay, and after that they are taking the machine learning algorithm in the first phase. After solving the first problem, they are just putting after that the deep learning algorithm to solve the problem. Yeah, it can be. Yes, the recording is there. We will upload on the YouTube, so you and other guys can be have a look on it. Okay, so don't worry. Anyone else? Any other thoughts? I think it's good. Good to go. Okay, yeah, so good to go. So let's jump to the here. Lot of data, large model. Let much less data, fine tune large model. What that does mean? That means that if you have a lot of the data, what actually happen? I will tell you here. Everyone in the industry, what they are. One second. Which algorithm is best for dealing with the huge amount of data? No, you cannot say without seeing the data. always remember one thing very properly, that without knowing the data, without knowing the distribution of the data, nature of the data, okay, and quality of the data, what is the domain of that data and the problem related to that data, without knowing all these parameters, and there's a lot of the other parameters, you will not able to solve, you will not able to say which algorithm is going to be the best. So this is the one of the toppest interview question that has been asked every time, and I will always take this question with in my interviewer as with my interview as well, which algorithm is best for dealing with a huge amount of data. So that answer is very simple, very clear. Without knowing about the data quality and the parameters, domain, and after checking all these things, we can just start building the model on the different algorithm, then we'll see which is the algorithm is the best. Hope you get your answer, Muku. Please respond. Yes, thank you. Yeah. So what actually happened in the industry, what actually happening, there the one major problem was there. What actually happened, take example of the web development. Okay, once the web development has been started, so in that category what happened, people are doing the like multiple things. Like take example, I am working on a social media platform, and in that social media platform I need a login and sign up functionality. Okay, so in that case I am building the login, sign up page, functionality, API, lot of the other things. And the same thing, like take example of uh, Sumed Kumar, okay, Sumed Kumar just seated in the Canada and doing the same thing, but he is building e-commerce website. But e-commerce website also need the login, sign up, forgot password. The structure is same. Again take example of like this, who is there, Kishori Arora. Okay, so Kishori is available in the, what we can say, in Australia. Okay, she's available in the Australia and doing some kind of, like what we can say, any automobile industry website. She also need the login and all these things. Okay, so in that case what will happen, we all are doing the same thing. So that's why what actually has been come into the market, which is a library or the framework. If you are doing the login, then you can just import the particular library that have the all functionality, and you can do easily. So this is the way that the similar things has been put into the libraries or the frameworks, and people start using them and doing their work faster. So this is the example. uh, every model has different accuracy parameter, like the model show 80% accurate, we deploy, but in another way 90% we can. Pramod, we'll discuss this problem one to one. Okay, that's out of all this context. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, so this is the happening in web development. The same problem happening in the machine learning. Okay, so what actually happen in machine learning, again we'll take an example of Sumit, Kishori and me. I am in India, Sumit is in the Canada, and Kishori is in the Australia. I am building a model. These two guys are also building a model. Then what actually happening? We are just building a model. Okay, but there's a few things that are very much same. Okay, like pre-processing, cleaning, handling missing values, all these are same. Then what actually happen? The big companies come into the picture, researchers come into the picture, and what they suggest, what will do, will create a particular model that have the particular job, that can we just put on the, like big of CPU, GPU, and give the training, then we'll just give that model to the market. Take example of the large model. What does that mean? Large model means huge amount of data, huge amount of GPU training, huge amount of parameters. What is parameter? I will tell you. Okay, I will stop it here. Give will go back. This is a parameter. Here you can see hidden layer 1 2 3. So 1 2 3, this is a parameter called weights or the parameter. So अभी आप यहाँ पे how many are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 9 into 3 27. But now the model that you are currently seeing in the market are very much big, 7 billion of parameter. Now you can imagine how big the neural network model was. So what they did, they just put the big data. Okay, this is a one thing. And after that, big data is there. Okay, parameters is there. Okay, huge number of parameters, big data, GPU. Okay, and months of the training. And after that they come with the result. This is a large model that we trained on the whole Wikipedia data. I am taking an example of Wikipedia, that can be anything. Wikipedia data. Now if you want to work on any English language model, then you can directly use our model. Okay, you can directly use our model and just replace this last layer with your use case. Okay, and after that what will happen? Our model will give you the good performance. You don't have to just retrain everything. We already trained on the so many hidden layers. So just go on to the last layer, replace it with your use case, with your data, whatever the data that you have related to that domain. If the model has been trained on the English language, then your data or use case data must be on the English language. So that's the right away thing that you have to do. Once you will do, retrain it, then your model will be ready. So see, lot of data, this model is there. Then let much less data, then you will get a fine tuned large model. What you have been done? You have been done fine tuned large model. So you have been replaced the last layer of the large model, not language, large model. Okay, and just replace with your use case data, and you just try to get your use case model and you start using it. So it is known as the already pre-training. You don't do the training here, you don't do the training has been done by the any other one. You only import it. Take an example, when we are doing the Python code, we are importing the things. Import pandas as a PD. So you are not writing the pandas whole code, you are just calling the import pandas as a PD, import numpy as an np. So you are only importing the particular library with the help of the import function, and you are automatically calling because everything is available in the pandas library. The same thing happening here. The pre-training has been done very nicely with the big company, with big tech company. Then you have to only replace the last layer of the neural network, and with the help of that you have to just inject or give the little data of your use case, and you are ready to with your data. And after that what will happen? Your data is there, model is there, then you have to do the training. After that, model has been retrain, or we can say the fine tune on your data, little data, and you can use with your use case. So this is the difference, and this is the things. This is how the things has been working in the all this industry, large model, fine tuning. So this is all about. Now guys, this is very important thing. Now I need questions from your side. If you have, ask me. I'm very happy to explain you again. If you don't able to understand it, please go ahead and ask me if you have any question. Yes, we can say it is similar to the transfer learning. Yes, good Darpan. We are transferring the knowledge to the other use case. Yes, go ahead. Anyone else? Yes guys, I need this kind of the people who are contributing, who are understanding the things. So that's very good. Everyone understood, sir, how to maintain a data security while removing the data from the data, how to maintain data security while removing the data from the last line. Data security will be not will be the case now, because you are training the data on the model and you are keeping the model with you. Okay, if you want to be, if you are going to open source it, if you are going to give the model to the others, okay, so on that point you are going to be leakage of the data. And again, one more thing, you are doing the training on your system, and your system taking the data into the numbers, and numbers only can understand who is the person or who is the thing, machine or computer. So there will be the nothing like worry about the data security until unless you are sending that data to the servers, other servers. Taking example of ChatGPT or any other services available in the market, who are saying, okay, Sumit, come to my like platform, put your data, and I will give you the like fine-tuned model, or I will I have the lot of the pre-trained model or large language model or large model. Then you have to just give your data, then we'll do the training. If they will do the training on their server, then there will the data security issue. If you are doing on your servers or your company servers on your platform, your computer, then there is a no data security issue. Hope Sumit, you got it. Thank you. Nice answer, nice question. Anyone else? Guys, please go ahead. Going very good questions we are asking. That's very brilliant. Please go ahead. Okay, I think we are good to go to proceed, guys. Hope everyone understood till here. Yes, Pramod, Kishori, Sukanya, Nikita. Oh bhai, there are so many. Pramod, Deep Shikar, Gupta. Okay, so यार इतना अच्छा, रोना आ जाएगा मेरे को यार. इतना अच्छा अगर मैंने समझा दिया तो. चलो guys, let's move. Let me see. Okay, model hubs. Everyone know about the model hubs. Okay, Hugging Face is a platform available in the market. They have the lot of the models, pre-trained models out there. You can see multi-modal is there, computer vision is there, natural language processing. There are a lot of the things. You have to just go on the Hugging Face. So let's jump on the Hugging Face. ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए कि सर ने थ्योरी पढ़ा थी, हमको मजा नहीं आया. Okay, so yeah, this is a Hugging Face. You can see multi model, everything is given. Computer vision, natural language processing, audio. Take example NLP, you want to do the text classification. Okay, so there are a lot of the models available here. You can see lot of the models, see. And one more best thing is there, data set भी available है भाई. You don't have to worry about it. टेक्स्ट क्लासिफिकेशन करना है, डेटा सेट मिल जाएगा आपको. मतलब मॉडल भी मिल गया, डेटा सेट भी मिल गया. अब क्या चाहिए भाई? कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए, गुड टू गो. नहीं सर बोले यार सर एक कोई सॉल्यूशन भी अगर किसी ने करके रख रखा हो तो वो भी दे दो. चलो वो भी दिखा देते हैं. स्पेसेस, स्पेसेस पे आपको इतना कुछ मिलेगा जिसकी कोई हद नहीं है. सब पीओसीज लोगों ने कर रखी है. मैं आप खाली एक ही सजेशन दूंगा, जाओ कॉपी पेस्ट करो, समझो, दैट्स इट. सिंपल, स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड. चलो अब इसमें कुछ सर्च करते हैं. एनएलपी क्लासिफिकेशन. ठीक है, सो सी हाउ मेनी आर देयर. एनएलपी टेक्स्ट क्लासिफिकेशन. तो ये तो एरर है. ओके कोई बात नहीं. टेक्स्ट क्लासिफिकेशन अगेन एरर. सो लेट्स टेक्स्ट classification, then we'll do sorting, most like is there, so runtime error, okay, service text classification, see it is running, okay, तो ये running mode में है, don't have to worry about the code, just click on the files, you will get everything is here, everything, ये देखो सब कुछ available है भाई, सब कुछ, see everything is available here. Now go back. Requirement text is also available here. Utils.py is also available here. Just go on the app and see it is running or not. How to know which model is better? Again, I am giving you the same answer. Totally depend on your use case. No algorithm, no model is the best. Totally depend on your use case. What is your use case, your data? Always remember, कोई कितना भी आके आपको बोले, I am giving you. अगर आपको कोई बोलता है नहीं ये मॉडल बेस्ट है, हो भी सकता है उसके लिए, लेकिन आपके यूज केस के लिए भी अगर वो बेस्ट है तो ये भी पॉसिबिलिटी है, लेकिन ये पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं है कि हमेशा यही मॉडल बेस्ट होगा. Okay, so sir, I'm using Hugging Face but not able to train the last layer with our dataset. How to train Hugging Face? Yeah, so Piyush, keep this thing in your mind. Soon we will start the POCs and all these things and we will get to know about it. Okay, so please stay with us. Okay, this is the basic things that we are doing. So that's why. Okay, thank you, Piyush. बस छोड़ के मत जाना पीयूष, लंबे समय तक रहोगे तो बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा. एंड द सेम थिंग दैट आई एम गोइंग टू टेल एवरीवन. सो सी text classification for service feedback, you have to type it here and click for the prediction. So let's do it. This website is user friendly and agent. Click on the prediction, getting predictions. Let's see. सी इंफॉर्मेशन, कम्युनिकेशन, यूजर इंटरफेस, वेटिंग टाइम, सब कुछ आ गया. पॉजिटिव है कि नेगेटिव है. ओके, अब यहाँ पे बोलते हैं सर यू आर टीचिंग वेरी बैड, प्लीज इम्प्रूव योर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स. ठीक है, अब देखते हैं क्या बोलता है. See communication information, okay, again negative. See things are working, so it is working, very easy. अब तुम बोलोगे सर यार इसका कोड समझने में बहुत टाइम जाएगा. अरे भाई नहीं जाएगा, तुम अब दूसरी दुनिया में रह रहे हो. just go on the files, okay, I am very fast, sorry, files, app, click on the row, you will get all data, control A, control C, go back. Okay, now after that go on the chat gpt. Okay, I will open, give me a bit. This is a code that I pasted here. Now explain me this code. Simple, straightforward. See everything is here. See how good it is. तुम्हारे लिए तो बहुत आसान हो गया भाई, हमारे टाइम में ये नहीं था सर, हमको खुद को करना पड़ता था. See everything is here, everything. The code is a Python script creating web application from Stream using Streamlit, popular library for creating the interactive web application. Import कर रहा है, फिर टाइटल को सेट कर रहा है, फिर बटन लगा रहा है. There are a lot of things out there. Everything has been explained. Everything. Now see क्या बोल रहा है. Now what I will do, I will jump on this thing. Okay. Now you will say, sir, I'm not able to understand this file structure. No issue. No issue. Very easy. Just copy it. Okay. Then we'll go here. Explain this file structure. Simple, straightforward. It looks like you are describing a file structure or project directory. Here's the explanation of different element in this file. Checkpoints directly automatically generated by the Jupyter Notebook, updated code over 1 year. ठीक है. Models. Model hash में readme file, app.py, requirement, text file that contains the list parameters. अब बताओ भाई क्या करना है तुमको जीवन में, मेरे को बताओ तुमको क्या करना है. तुमको खाली बैठ के टाइम देना है. Then you automatically learn everything that I am giving you the surety. Now come to the utils. Just click on the row, Control A, Control C, come to the this, again explain this code. See, again everything is there. बताओ अब तुमको क्या नहीं समझ में आ रहा है इसमें. Now tell me how easy it is yaar, how easy. Everything is available, you have to do just simple things. एक प्रोजेक्ट उठाया, आई एम गिविंग यू वेरी राइट अवे एग्जांपल. किसी का अगर इंटरव्यू है, टेक एनी प्रोजेक्ट, दिस प्रोजेक्ट ओनली यू विल टेक. आई एम गिविंग यू द थिंग, टेक दिस प्रोजेक्ट, गो ऑन द chat gpt, get started and just asking the little things. Take the example, the script loads the word to vec model from this. So just ask what is word to vec model here and why it has been used. See, is the word embedding, which is a technique used to represent words as a dense vector in the continuous or a vector space. सब कुछ बता दिया. फिर इसमें ये बता दिया, वेक्टराइजेशन करता है, टॉपिक क्लासिफिकेशन करता है. एवरीथिंग इज देयर. नाउ बेस्ट थिंग, क्योंकि अपन सब यहाँ पे जॉब के लिए है ना, वी आर ऑल हियर फॉर द जॉब. Just go to now, give me the list of interview questions from above given code that can be asked in the interview on my above given project code. See, अब बताओ अब क्या करना है, किसको क्या कहाँ समस्या आ रही है मेरे को बताओ. आई सुपर इंटेलिजेंट सिस्टम इज गिवन टू यू. सी, नाउ आई विल टेल. नाउ दैट्स वेरी नाइस. नाउ give me the answers as well so that I can study it, and if possible, no, that we will do in the next, study it for the interview. बताओ, क्वेश्चन भी दे दिया, आंसर भी दे दिया, everything has been given. How are you feeling, guys? Tell me frankly in the chat. How are you feeling? कोई कुछ बोल ही नहीं रहा. So bad. Okay, no issue. Yeah. So everything has been given. See, everything. Now give me the reference study material to explore more about the topics listed above. See, अब बताओ कहाँ समस्या है. Good, very nice, super cool, prompt engineers. Good, I hope chat got referral. Nice. अब बताओ किसको प्रॉब्लम है जॉब के लिए और क्यों प्रॉब्लम है. एवरीथिंग इज अवेलेबल, एवरीथिंग. and I am here to help you guys to give you the job and give you the steps. Got it? Good to go? मैं कुछ बोल ही नहीं रहा है. Okay, guys, just share your thoughts on the like using, yeah, this emojis or whatever it is there. Okay. बट जॉब में चैट जीपीटी को कोई स्टक करते हैं, जॉब में चैट जीपीटी को स्टिक कर देते हैं ना. सुकन्या, we are using this as a helping guy. I am here as a mentor who are helping you to understand the logics and all these things. Okay, so अगर मैं आपकी जगह पे जॉब का इंटरव्यू देने चला जाऊंगा तो आपको जॉब नहीं मिलेगी ना, मेरे को मिलेगी. So ChatGPT is a technology that you can use to educate yourself, learn yourself. Okay, this is not the thing that you can use in the job. Okay, with the help of this, you can learn the things faster and better. You don't have to depend on anyone. Got it? Okay then. So you can just put your efforts easily on Hugging Face and all. So guys, ज़्यादा लंबा नहीं लेंगे इसको. Okay, done for today. Okay, and if anyone have any doubt, please go ahead. Okay, and raise your hands or just give me the questions. So can you please share the, yeah, sure. Soon Yajendra will upload it on the YouTube and will share the link. Yeah, we have the some opportunities in GenAI. Remote internship is there. Today's class was nice, engaging, and informative. Thank you for the feedback. Yeah, we'll share the recording. No worry, everything will be shared. Again, we will share the chat link as well. So don't worry about it, guys. Anyone else? Remote opportunities I'm looking. Yeah, there's the remote opportunities available. So stay tuned with us. We'll we will let you know. Okay, so just do the learning. Okay. Okay then. Good night, guys. Bye. Take care. We'll see. We'll meet you tomorrow again. There's a 3-day of workshop. So कल मिलते हैं. Bye. Take care. Good night to everyone. Bye.